In this video, we will dive into Flexbox, a crucial concept for creating flexible and responsive layouts effortlessly. We will explore what Flexbox is and why it is so valuable. Flexbox, short for Flexible Box Layout, is a CSS model designed to simplify building complex layouts. Imagine having a bunch of elements on your web page that you want to rearrange in a row or stack in a column or in a particular order that you want. Flexbox makes this super easy and helps create layouts that adapt beautifully to different screen sizes. Let's take a closer look and see why Flexbox is so important. Responsive design. Flexbox is essential for ensuring your site looks great on all devices, phones, tablets, desktops, etc. It lets elements resize, rearrange, and also align themselves based on the screen size. It also offers precise control over alignment, spacing, and distribution of elements. Whether you want to center an element perfectly, evenly distribute items, or swap columns for rows on different devices, Flexbox can handle it all with just a few utilities. Once you grasp the basics, using Flexbox will feel intuitive and natural to you. You define a container as a Flexbox, and its children align and space themselves effortlessly according to your needs. In summary, Flexbox makes layout design faster, more intuitive, and more responsive. It helps you build websites that look fantastic on any device with minimal effort. With this foundation, we can now explore the Tailwind CSS utilities that make Flexbox even more powerful. See you in the next video.